good evening and welcome back to a wonderful tutorial. Yeah, if you don't know, this is the application called Flash Phone. It has been for a while, and then please note that this application has older version that is not working. The newer version. How do you know the older version? The older version does not support login. Does not have a login page as this. Okay, the newer version has that. But today I will be teaching you guys how to create an account and how to log in. You can use your phone number. Make sure you input the country code to use our phone number. Please, if you're trying to log in and the phone number does not work, then use your email address, because then you click send code. And it's not configured. Right now, the next option you have to use your email address. Okay, I'll be using the new email address. Okay, to create an account, all you do is to input the username here, then your email address and your Flash phone. Let me try to create a new account. Let's make the name as dark web tools. Let me use tools, customer support, tools, and an email address. You click on sign up. See, account has been created successfully. Let me save. Then you input the. Now to take you to a login page. You input password. Okay, confirm your username. Click on continue. As you can see, my app is open and about to run. Okay, this is the very app. And once again, look at the functions of it. It has a function to verify bank accounts. The second is Flash account. If you want to transfer to an account. This is for your recent transaction. This is for your settings. This is for you to buy credit.
For more hacks and tutorials, subscribe and hit that notification bell to be updated when we post a new video. Thanks for watching.